less than a week, but still, I haven't been doing streams in the last 3 or 4 days, I think. Anyway, let's get started. So first, I want to fix something that I haven't noticed when I was doing the previous stream, but I was just looking at the website today, and I've just noticed this contact info section is not really readable compared to what I have here. And then I thought it might be because of the font, because I'm using bold fonts in here, but I haven't ported the fonts. But then I realized the background colors are different. Like, take a look at this map image. It's shaded, it has a black shade on it, but this one doesn't. So we clearly forgot to import one of the CSS rules that say this should be shaded. So this will be the first task. And then after that, I always said I wanted to solve the problem with the background. I don't know what looks better, but for now, I think I'm just going to replicate what I have on my previous website, and then we're going to change the design slowly after that. So the second task is this. I'm going to change the background color of these cards. So I'm just going to make it transparent. And also, I want to right align this image. This image should be on the right, and then like it just has to look like this one. So it has to switch between left and right, left and right, left and right. So yeah. Okay. I'm probably going to start with the defects. For defects, since well, it's kind of wrong, but since I'm the only one working on the project, and this is a small defect, I do not want to open up another branch. Let's see if I have any other branches open. I should have, yeah, I deleted them now. This should, yeah, this is deleted. All right, cool. Let's close this. Right, where should we look for the shade on the previous website? Okay, I think it is related with some CSS rules. So if you go in here, click inspect, and then, no, there. Yeah, so what is the background of, so background says cover something something. Okay, so first, let's see. Yeah, they are different colors. So obviously there's some styling going on. Oh wait, there's a blue tint. This is not blue. Anyway, I probably copied this from somewhere it was called blue. Right, right, right. Um, so the section and oh, that's, there must be a better way to do this. So if you search for shade image CSS, maybe. So it's recommending the same thing. Just create another div, and there must be a better way to do it though. Yeah, this is not nice as well. What's that and what's that? Let's learn, let's learn. The filter property. Okay, let's see. Right. Image WebKit filter. Cool. Okay, what if we change this to 50%? I just want to see the effect. And does this run on every single web browser? Oh, this looks nice as well. But no, this is not what I want. Let's see what the filter properties we have. We can blur, we can opacity, saturation, invert. No, here grayscale, drop shadow. Right. How do you use drop shadow? Yeah, play it. Why not? Hey, why is my mouse skipping? Anyway. Okay, nice. Hmm. No, I don't want drop shadow. Contrast, no. Right. Yes. So if, can I just change? No, I can't change it. All right. Sepia opacity. No. Oh, okay. I think I'm good with brightness, so I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna take that and use it. Oh, this looks nice as well. Anyway, let's not get carried away. That solution is simpler, so I'm just gonna do. So, okay, let me explain what I'm trying to do. This is a filter, and this is probably implemented after. Like, I'm not sure if it's more efficient for the computer to draw another overlay on top of an existing background, or if we call this filter function and then modify the image. Do you know? Okay. So we have a background, and on top of that, there sits another layer of transparent background, and the GPU or whatever does the operation combines them together, and then you get this final image right there. It looks shaded, but you have no modifications on the image essentially. Or another option is to call this filter function and modify this image. But is this more costly or okay? CSS filter versus box shadow? No. Okay, CSS filter performance. I want to use this, but at the same time, I don't want to use this because this probably comes after. It's probably more efficient for because you're modifying an image versus you're letting the GPU to do itself and draw everything. Let's see how it. Okay, instead of using a filter, let's see if we can do it the old way. Old ways are most of the time they're faster. Okay, we have image experience, project card, contact. Yes, contact. And in contact, we have image description. Oh, we don't need a comment there. Cool. And image description, where does this come from? This comes from a SAS file, right? And where did we use this? Okay. Right, but the background of this div is set in somewhere else, which is home page, right? Page is home, and we have contact sections. Yes, it's here, and the contact background is contact background. We can't really change this class because this probably sets the. Oh, what am I doing? All right, this probably sets the background. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's a bit more difficult than what I thought. Hey, people are messaging me. Anyway, yeah, let's turn off the sound. Cool. This is cleaner and it's newer, but does it work? Okay. Filter compatibility, browse. Okay, let's see. IE is dead. Edge, not many people use it. Yes. Right. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're pretty good to go. Don't really care about IE partial support. Okay, what are the known issues? Yeah, I'm not going to use spread radius. Well, Edge is transitioning into using Chrome's engine, right? So yeah. Okay, let's use the cleaner way, I suppose. Okay. So let's get these two. And there's the background image there. Paste it there. It's not going to be grayscale. Instead of grayscale, we are going to have brightness. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it does. Oh, we've modified the SAS file, and also the server's not running. No, not git fetch. Yes. Please apply the shade effect. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, it applied the shade effect to my image as well, which is strange. Why? Oh, okay. It should not apply this to this section. It should apply it only to the image, not the section. But we're applying it to the section, which is not the intended effect. Okay. Background filter. This is getting more and more complicated for what I want to do. Okay, let's just do it the way that I know it instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. We have a contact background, which is an image. Okay, and also do we have a property like background field? No. Okay, we don't have anything like that. Why does this apply to? Because it covers the top. Okay. It's not an image. Right. Let's see how I did it on my previous website. Let's go back, but not here. I can probably figure out how I did it from here. So we have a background in the section, and then we create another div with a blue tint. So if I get rid of this background, we're gonna see, it's not a blue tint, we're just gonna see, yeah, it's gonna be gray. Yes. So let's try to achieve the same thing. Okay. It's not possible to do this, is it? I wish. It's fine, it's fine. So we can't use this, but we have this. Okay. Why is the mouse? Okay, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna readjust the Bluetooth receiver dongle on the back of my desktop. Okay, maybe that could work. Probably. Anyway, we'll see. Let's find this. Where was this coming from? No, contact module SAS. Okay. We are going to have another class called tint, and this tint class is going to have, well, the same thing. Copy this. Okay. Right. Looks good. Import this. Tint. So where are we going to put this exactly? Can we put it somewhere? This is it. You know what? What I'm doing is wrong. I should modify the image in this case. Why am I not modifying the image and like wasting time with all of these things? You know, no, like if this is the case, I clearly have to modify the image rather than making the client side render all of that stuff. Sometimes I think about interesting stuff. I could do it now, but I'd rather do that offline. Is it something that I could quickly do from? Maybe. Tools. Yes. Well, I can make it more colorful and darker at the same time. What does that do? Okay, nothing. Oh, this is nicer than Photoshop. Come on, this is so good. Maybe not that. Nope. Oh no. Okay. Yes. I think this is fine. Save it. Shouldn't have increased the contrast, should I? Is there a way to revert this back? Probably not. Whoops. Command Z doesn't work. But I know how to change it. We have Git. Great. And go back. Yeah, that should be fine. Again. What? Okay, command save. Yeah, this is fine. Just I'll go with this. Yeah, okay, close enough. So sometimes problems. There are many ways to solving a problem. So this was a really nice example of that. Why did I just not modify the image in the first place, right? So I could not worry about compatibility issues with backgrounds or filters. Don't worry about the performance. Sorry. Okay. Seems good.